Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dzhillan. So today I'm going to talk about how direct strategies can help us to develop our four mind language skill. Those are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So next to the first slide, introduction. So these strategies actively help learners to process, to store, and apply language. They can be used in listening, in speaking, and reading and writing. And we have three key strategies, like we discussed in before chapters and previous chapter 2. This key strategies. These are memory strategies, connective strategies, and compensation strategies. For instance, where we learn new vocabulary, we might use a memory trick to connecting word to picture. When speaking, we might use connective strategies like repetition to improve pronunciation, and if we forget a word, we can be use compensation strategies like describing instead of stopping. Next, first we discuss about the memory strategies in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, has anyone ever used a memory trick to remember a difficult word? So we have memory strategies to help us store, to recall information, which is especially useful for vocabulary and grammar. The involved technique like visualization, association and repetition. Next is memory strategies with the example. Like listening for first, visualizing the meaning of words. When we learning the new word, listening, we can visualize the meaning or categorize the word. When we speaking, we can memorize key phrases and repeat them until they become natural. And when we're reading, we can create mind maps to organize new vocabulary. And when we're writing, we can mnemonics like acronym or a funny sentence help with a spelling. And next to connective strategies. Connective strategies help us to process language. The strategies involve practice, analyze, summarization, and note taking. Example: if we watch a movie in English, we might focus on the character, how the character structure their sentence, and we try to imitate them. This help to improve speaking fluency. Okay, next is connective with example. When we are listening, we focus on the keyword instead of every word. And when we speaking, we can imitating native speaker like we watch a movie before. When we watch a vlog, we watch or we have a conversation with the native speaker, we can imitate them uh, to improving our pronunciation, our speaking, something like that. And when we're reading, we can guessing the meaning from the context, like when we reading a novel, a magazine, or etc. And then when we're writing, we can organizing idea using outlines before writing an essay. Next is compensation strategies. Compensation strategies, these are used when we uh, face gap in our knowledge, like when we don't know a word but still need to communicate. uh, have you ever been in situation where you couldn't remember the word but you still need to manage to explain it, like when we in supermarket, we need to buy uh fruit fruit or buy vegetables or buy something stuff, but we don't know how to pronounce it, but we don't know what to say it. You can we can describe uh, what these are, what useful for what, something like that. And next, communication strategies in four minds a language skill. In listening, we can guess meaning based on speaker tone or gesture. When we speaking, we can using gesture or repressing instead of stopping. And when we uh, reading, we can recognizing a familiar part or a word to guess a meaning. And when we writing, we using simple word or sentence structure when we answer. And next is practical application for learners. These strategies are not just a theory, they can be used in real life to learn better. We should mix and match these strategies. Like, first is combine strategies for the best result, personalized technique based on learning preference. The third is practice in real life, talk with native speaker, read book, or write journal. And four is use study tools, flashcards, online resource, group discussion. And then conclusion. So in this presentation, we discuss about the how memory strategies can help us to remember. Connective strategies can help us to process language, and compensation strategies can help us to still communicate if we even don't know how to say the word. So we can use a gesture, just a gesture to still communicate with someone. So what the best approach is the find or experiment what the best work in you, and mix and match strategies to fit your learning style. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.